All right, hey guys, once again, it's AJ here. Today, what we're going to talk about is how to integrate your new authorize.net merchant processing account with your back office at Empower Network. So, first thing I want you guys to do is to head over to Empower Network and go ahead and log in. Okay, and once you log in, you're going to go straight to My Business, and down on your profile, you're going to see a section called Payment Information. And if this is your first time doing this, it probably already says Empower Network e-wallet in there, and that's the affiliate program that you set up through Empower Network, and of course you have access to that for your payment processing. However, if you do choose to go with an outside processor like authorize.net, you're going to need a couple of things in order for authorize.net to work with your Empower account. Excuse me. So what you'll need here, as you can see, is an ARB login key, otherwise known as an API login key, and you're also going to need a transaction key. And those are things you're going to be able to find in your authorize.net account. But I just wanted to show you first where we're going to input these things. As you can see, I already have these filled in because mine is already set up. But here's how you're going to go get yours. You're going to head over to authorize.net and go ahead and click login. And so I'm going to log in, and I'm going to blur out the screen so that you guys don't have access to my merchant processing account. I'm sure you can understand that. So this is going to be your back office at authorize.net. So the first thing that I would say do is go to account, and then you can scroll down to where you can see here API login ID and transaction key. Those are the things that we're going to need. All right, and mine is already set up, so it looks a little bit different than yours will, having done it the first time. But to go ahead and create your new transaction key and your login ID will be right here. And then once you have your login ID, you can go ahead and write it down on paper. And then, of course, you can go ahead and then just implement this. If you highlight it, and you can take it over to Empower Network, go ahead and plug it in right here. And then your transaction key, when you get it, you can plug it in right here. And then what you're going to also need to do is, just for your information, you're going to need to probably re-input your password down here, confirm password, and then go ahead and click update your profile at that point in time. And you want to make sure that you see that the changes did take effect. The first time I did this, I actually had missed the part where you need to confirm your password, and it was not set up. So once it is set up, you'll get a notification, and then you can click right here to make sure that your payment links work properly. And it will just go ahead, and I think it charges $1 to your card that you have on file with Empower Network, just to make sure that the system is updated and working properly. Okay, and so this is going to change you from one last thing. You're going to need to change this from Empower Network to the authorize.net CIM before you click update your profile, and then now you're all set up. Now there's two other things that I think that you should do before you go ahead and make this active, and that is to go back to your home page here in authorize.net, and you're going to need two things for Empower to work properly, because as you know, there are a couple of different programs that people can buy with Empower Network. The $25 program, that's a monthly purchase. Also the $100 program for Inner Circle, which is also a monthly purchase. So these are things that people are going to be purchasing month after month after month after month. Okay, so you want to make sure that you've got some things set up for Empower Network to be able to do that work on your behalf. The first of which is you're going to need to click on Customer Information Manager. Okay, and I've already got it set up here, so you can see that if you have not set it up right here, all you have to do is just activate that and you'll be good to go. And then the second one you'll want to set up, okay, let me go back here, is automated recurring billing. And those have charges, I think they're like $10 a piece per month, but those are the two things that Empower Network does need in order to be able to work with your authorize.net account. Okay, so make sure that you have those set up, and then you'll be ready to be in business. So go back and make sure that everything else is as you like it, and now you've got your authorize.net set up and you're ready to rock and roll. This is AJ signing off. Take care.